Pakinggan natin, no. Mayor, good morning. Any update, Mayor?
Ang pakiusap ko lang sa lahat, maraming haka-haka, maraming nangyayari. Pabayaan muna natin yung mga ahensya na nag-iimbestiga at alamin muna natin lahat ng mga factual events. Okay, let's stick to the facts of what happened. This is very tragic. We need the support of the parents and especially the teachers.
Mayor, ano po immediate measure ng local government dahil po dito sa nangyari?
Well, immediate measurement here is it is important that we do a thorough investigation on what the real motive was. Okay? Now, may lumalabas na sinasabi bullying, may lumalabas na pero contrary to what the evidence shows, that is not actually factual. So let's not speculate that this was the motive. Okay?
But in terms of security, police presence sa mga schools ngayon?
We can only do so much. Alam nyo, ang talagang, this is a wake-up call to parents, this is a wake-up call to the teachers. It's about time, you focus on your children. We cannot, if you cannot discipline and raise your children properly, don't give them to the government to discipline. That's not our job.
So may established na po yung...
Importante dito talaga, magkapit kaway muna itong mga magulang at saka mga parents at pag-usapan talaga nila ano nangyari and comfort each other. That's the best thing you can do. Our intelligence and law enforcers are doing the best they can to figure, this out. Diba? So, mo, pag motibo kasi ang tinitignan nila motive but at the same time capability. So yan ang ina-address ngayon at tinitignan ano ba nangyari dyan, di ba? Kasi importante lang talaga kung ano talaga yung nangyari, factual, doon tayo sa facts. Okay?
Mayor, clarify ko lang, established na po yung sinasabi nyo, hindi ito bullying.
It's questionable. It's not established that it's bullying. It's not naman established that it's not bullying. We do not know yet. Because pati yung mga witnesses, conflicting yung mga accounts nila. It's very conflicting. So, but we need professionals to look at this. Kaya hindi muna kami nagsasalita. Hindi ako nagsasalita kaya ayoko ng haka-haka. Ayoko ng mga sinasabing speculation. This is a very, very important incident to study. We have to look at this very carefully. I know the parents are grieving at the same time they want justice. It will get there, but we have to do it the correct way. And this will involve our lawmakers, this will involve all agencies concerned. Kaya yun ang gawin natin. Kaya kayo sa media ang hingin kong tulong, huwag tayo rin sumama dyan sa mga haka-haka. Tignan natin mabuti ano yung nangyari, ano yung ebidensya.
Okay. But what can we expect from the LGU po? Siguro sa mga susunod na pagkakataon dahil ganito yung nangyari. Mas pag-iipit ba tayo?
Alam nyo, it is not a hidden fact. It's a fact that there are gang-related, incidents that are happening almost every city. We have identified the individuals, we know who they are, and they're being closely watched. And many of these happens because maraming OFW na papabayaan yung mga kabataan na yan, hindi nila namomonitor, kaya dapat bigyan ng pansin yan. It is important. So, I am expecting that lawmakers will come out. Alam nyo, nasa executive department kami, kaya we can only enforce what the law says. Okay? So, I'll make that very clear. And hindi naman tayo pwede mag-shortcut ng mga batas dito. Importante dito, tignan natin, but bigyan talaga ng pansin yung mga kabataan na this cannot happen and this should not happen.
Mayor, update, Mayor, kustudiya ngayon ng mga suspect kasi minor.
Kaya nga, yun ang pinag-aaralan ngayon, na I think definitely nakikita natin for someone to do this, you are not mentally stable. So we need professionals to look into that. If we cannot lock them up in the stations, in the police stations, we cannot also put them in Bahay Pag-asa because that's very minimum security and this is basically a heinous crime. Then maybe they may be locked up in hospitals. That's why we're coordinating now with DOH to do a psychiatric examination and maybe put them to protect themselves against themselves and also protect them against the public.
Mayor, how's our coordination with the DepEd, Schools Division Office?
Nandito muna. Suspension of classes because there is an investigation going on and we want to calm things down.